How you guys doing? Welcome back. I've got a package this morning from the Royal Mint, so let's get this opened and see what's inside. Okay, so this is what I've got in the package. I'll just move that to one side. This is 2019, the collector's album, which I actually need because if you watch my last hunt, I found 2019 alphabet coin. E for English breakfast, so I can put this in now. There you go. And this is what we've received today. So they've already given us the package. It's not bad. It's full of Mr. Man and Little Miss characters. It's pretty cool. Let's put that to one side. And here's the bunk. So I'm just going to get this opened and then we can look inside. So this is the actual coin. I've got the bunk version in colour. This is Mr. Happy. Let's open it up. So on the reverse you can see the Queen's portrait and it says 2021. And it's the 50th anniversary, so it says happy birthday Mr. Man. It actually says here that's the brainchild of the Yorkshire-born copywriter Roger Hargreaves. I have no idea who's from Yorkshire. It's very close to where I am. And here's a picture of the Roger Hargreaves. And then there's more information about how Mr. Man took off and the journey that it took over the years. And right over here it says how his son took over in 1988 and how he continued to be the main author and illustrator of Mr. Man, Little Miss. And it's his design that's featured on this coin that we bought. Over here it talks about the coin specifications, how it's on a £5 coin, it's cupro nickel, and the weight, the designers, and the quality, brilliant uncirculated. And this is a close-up of the actual coin. It looks really good. I'm happy with the actual quality of the coin. The design looks cool, the colour's cool as well. There's no blemishes, there's no marks on it. I've seen some with the people who have already received theirs and there's unfortunately some marks on the actual coin. So here's the packaging that it comes with. Let me just try and fit this in. Brilliant, it works. So coming up next I'm going to announce the winner of one of my giveaways from last week. So I've got the website up. You can see the code name there, Tom Kitten. Here's the actual code. So there's a change checker trading card, and there's the Tom Kitten one right there. Triple coins. I have a few of these cards, but not Tom Kitten. That was the actual comment. So triple coins. If you could do me a big favor, just email me fantasticflavor@gmail.com, and we'll arrange for this card to be sent to you. Congratulations, mate.